Earth-altering asteroid strike. Threat is real, according to NASA chief warning. This is on Sputnik News. The NASA chief's speech comes on the heels of the space agency's announcement that it would conduct an asteroid impact simulation to identify critical aspects of disaster response in the event of such a cataclysmic scenario. NASA Administrator John Bridenstine took the stage of this year's Planetary Defense Conference on Monday to issue a stark warning. People should be ready for a major threat from a killer asteroid that could collide with Earth if our planet is not better protected. He said, "We have to use our systems, use our capabilities to ultimately get a lot more data, and we have to do it fast. We know for a fact that the dinosaurs did not have a space program, but we do, and we need to use it." Bridenstine continued by saying that normally the idea of a giant interstellar object smashing into Earth is met with a giggle factor, but people should not have that false sense of security somehow imposed on them by a myriad of themed Hollywood blockbusters. He added, "We had to make sure that people understand that this is not about Hollywood, it's not about the movies. This is about ultimately protecting the only planet we know right now to host life, and that is the planet Earth." NASA's chief made a reference to a 65-foot, 20-meter meteor that has fluted over the Russian city of Chelyabinsk February 2013, just 14 miles above the Earth's surface. The flaming meteorite crashed with a massive blow, blowing out windows, damaging thousands of buildings, 7,000 buildings, in an area and injuring about 1,500 people, mostly from broken glass. He said these events are not rare, they happen. Last week, NASA announced that it had teamed up with international partners to perform a tabletop exercise on how to handle a hypothetical asteroid on a collision course with Earth. These exercises have really helped us in the planetary defense community to understand what our colleagues on the disaster management side need to know. This exercise will help us develop more effective communications with each other and with our governments. NASA's planetary defense officer Lindsey Johnson said, "Aside from the aforementioned plans, NASA is getting ready for its first spacecraft to impact asteroid redirect mission, dubbed Double Asteroid Redirect Test, or DART for short, which is set to take place June 2021. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.